Wow, Timo, we're finally at SeaWorld. Look at that huge aquarium. I'm so excited. Look at all those colorful fish swimming above us. Ah! Look at that shark. It is huge. I wonder how fast it can swim. Look at those jellyfish. They glow like little lights and move so slowly. I really like sea turtles. They look so cute when they swim slowly through the water. Let's count the fish together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you count with me? SeaWorld is amazing! We can learn English while we learn about ocean animals.
Today we learned fish, shark, jellyfish, and sea turtle. That was really fun!
Can you remember the ocean animals? Fish, shark, jellyfish, and sea turtle. Great job!
What a fun day at SeaWorld! Keep learning English, and see you next time!